Hello everyone, my name is Jarl from Multisoft Corporation, your MLM solutions provider. Do you want to know how to manage your calendar events using your MLM software? Well, to manage your calendar event, it's actually pretty simple. Okay, let me go ahead and show you. All you just need to do is log in as an admin to your system. Okay, once you're logged in, you should be able to see now your admin toolbars. And the next thing that you want to do is hover your mouse on top of company and then look for calendar management. Okay, once you click that, you'll be redirected to this page, okay, where you can see all of the events that you have in your calendar. Okay, so from here, you should be able to see the list of events that has been added. You should be able to edit the existing events that you have here by clicking the edit button. Okay, but I want to focus on how you can add new ones. Okay, in order for you to add new ones is you just need to click this button here, view add button. Okay. Once you do that, you'll be redirected to this page. You do have two options here. If you want to go ahead and put a personal event, this will be showed to you, personally sponsored, personal sponsored distributors or your own customers. Okay, but as an admin, this is the one that I would like to focus on, the corporate events, because this will be available to everyone in your system. Okay, so click the corporate events and then click add event. Once you do that, you'll be redirected here, and you can just simply go ahead and add your the event that you would like to to add to your calendar. So let's say, for example, seminar. And test details because I don't have any. Then the reoccurring event, if there's a one-time event only, weekly, daily, monthly, quarterly, biannually, or yearly. Okay, let's say for example, we would like to start this on the 22nd perhaps, and the end date would be the 22nd as well. And if there's a physical address, you might want to go ahead and add the address here. So let's say 62 test address, city, Florida. Oops. Okay. Control. Zip code, just some random zip codes, of course, in the United States, and the state will be Florida. And this will be available to your administrator just in case that you are working with other staff who has admin rights. You just want to go ahead and set the order access to administrator, so other administrator, if they want to make modifications, they should be able to do that as well. Okay, so once you do that, order access, okay, good. Admin for the roles, we're all good, and you should be able to upload your own photo as well, just in case that you prepared let's say some sort of visuals for the event. You may also upload it here. Okay, and there will be a pop-up where you can upload the image and then crop it and then save it. So let's go ahead and save and close. Once you click save and close, of course, you'll just be redirected to the previous page wherein you can see now the event that you've added. So let me go ahead and go to corporate events. And this is the seminar. This is the one that we added. So if I go back to the actual calendar, I should be able to see that now listed as one of the events here. So product training, this is the one that we just added. And you should be able to edit that as well from here. So there you go. That's pretty simple, right? And thank you for viewing this webinar and hope you learned something from this. And please share this webinar training with your company administrators and support team in order to enhance the services you provided to your customers and distributors. We appreciate your feedback and input, and please let us know if this helped and how we can improve supporting you. And if you have any question about this or any other trainings, or would like to schedule a one-on-one training with one of our CSRs, or would like to speak with a Multisoft account executive, please call us at 239945643 or submit a help desk ticket request at helpdesk@marketpowerpro.com. Thank you.